In this video, we're going to show you how to install the idler pulley on your Hummer H3 located on the front portion of the engine. Down here on the passenger side of the engine, we're going to locate our belt tensioner. And right in the center is a square port to put your 3/8 ratchet. And what we want to do is we want to get that in there. And we want to lift up on this here as if we're going clockwise here. You gotta lift up on that and want to slide the belt off. Now that we have our belt off, what we're going to be doing is going to go ahead and locate our idler pulley. Now on the driver's side of the engine, you're going to go ahead and locate your alternator, which is on the upper right here. And then just below it, the next pulley down is your idler pulley. Let's go ahead and get that off. Now when doing this job, I'm using a standard ratchet with a 15mm socket on there. Now it's going to be a possible clearance issue depending on what you have for a tool. So you want to make sure you can get something in there without interfering with the fan blade itself, which you're going to be working around. And we can see get some movement there, which is excellent. Space is limited, so you want to exercise patience here. Take your time with that. We're going to be reusing the bolt that we pull out as well as that shim on the front. And sometimes, if there's enough of play in that, you can reach down and spin that bolt out. We're going to try that. No, ours is still a little bound up there. Work that up and out. Usually that bolt comes out of the middle. There we go. I always like to go ahead and match up the components, make sure everything matches what we have. Pop out the washer and the bolt. I'm going to slide that into the new component. Let's go ahead and feed this back down and start threading that in. Go ahead and feed that down in place. Now while I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and try and thread that in as far as I can by hand, if you have the ability to do so. You want to make sure that that belt stays up on top of that. All right, that bolt has now bottomed out. I do want to make sure that is good and snug. Now I'm going to put our torque wrench down there. I want to go ahead and torque this to 18 foot-pounds. The back side of that belt is going to come up around your tensioner. It will normally run up to your power steering pulley. Put that in place. Now at this point here, what you really want to do is you want to go around the perimeter of all of your pulleys and make sure that the belt is in all of the grooves. You can run your hand over each one, the crankshaft as well, that's key. And do the same thing on the other side, making sure that the ribs are all lined up in all of your pulleys. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.